We're here today at John F. Martin's & Sons to tell you what's so cool about manufacturing.
At this plant, they make bacon.
Anyone can do manufacturing.
My job here at John Martin is inside sales. I handle customers who are pretty much outside of our normal territory. Wisconsin, Ohio, Florida. We have customers in Indiana. And I also back up customer service, and I'm kind of jack of all trades in this department.
There is something to be proud of.
So, I'm fourth generation of the Martin family. So I grew up helping out in all facets of this operation when I was your age and even younger.
There are many different experiences in manufacturing.
For my skills every year that I've been in my 28 years of manufacturing.
There are many ways to get your job.
Normally, to get into human resources, you obviously have to be a high school graduate. It's preferable to have some college, an associate's degree, bachelor's degree, or higher in human resources. My path is a little bit different. I don't have a formal degree in human resources. Mine was acquired through life skill.
I went to high school and then I went to University of Pittsburgh. Got 2 degrees in Bachelor of Science and then started in the industry that way and then kind of built my way up to my current position.
What is your favorite part of your job?
People in all areas of the organization.
People.
Working with people.
What's so cool about manufacturing?
See the product, on the shelf and see that you did it with your hands. That's the best thing.
Bacon!
Bacon! That's what's so cool about manufacturing.